Hey guys, it's me Ariana, and today I'm going to be making a slime video, so let's get to it. The first things that you'll need is a bowl, but right now I'm just going to be using one of my cousin's pots, something to mix with, baking soda. Well, you don't need to use baking soda, but if you want you can. Contact solution, it doesn't matter which one you use, and glue. Oh, and I almost forgot. Food color. And food coloring. So today I'm going to make a blue slime, but you can choose any kind of slime color that you want. Okay, so I'm using Elmer's glue. Okay, so I'm pouring the glue. Okay, I think that I finished it because I was making slime a long time ago. I think I'm only gonna make this much because I ran out of glue, so yeah, I'm only gonna be making a little bit. So then we're going to add our food coloring. Continue. Now I'm only gonna add 1 or 2 drops of it because I don't want it to get your hands like really colored. So now we're going to mix it. I honestly really like this blue color. Even though I made a purplish color, but I really wanted to make a blue color this time. So there it is. Oh my god. So let's move on to the next. So then you're going to add a spoon of baking soda. Not too much, but I'm just going to spread it around just in case I want to make more slime. Then you're going to get your contact solution. Or even if you don't want to put in baking soda, you can just go ahead and put it inside of your bowl of slime already. But this is what I'm going to do. Okay, that should be enough. And then you're going to mix it. Oh my god. So there it is. It's basically just going to be white. So then you can add it into your slime. And then you'll see that it'll start shaping up. Okay. Oh my god. Oh, after this you're gonna want to start kneading it into your hands. But just make sure you mix it a lot. It's going to be like really wet if you add too much. So I'm going to be making a 3 a.m. video soon, but you're going to be seeing my friend in it also because I'm going to invite her over to my house soon. Whoa. I think it's ready, so I'm going to go grab a napkin. So the purpose of having a napkin is so that, you know, it doesn't like get your table messy. Oh my god, it's really slimy and sticky. Oh my god. So I'll be right back and I'll show you the results for it when it's done. Okay, so this is how it will look like after you're done kneading it. It may still be a little bit sticky, but well, you get the point. You just keep on kneading it and then you'll be able to play with it. Whoops. Well, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.